She came over and said, I work at the Department of Defense and security, and I'm wandering around up front and acting really crazy.
I'm going to ask you a very stupid question. I'm required by law to ask this. Did you consent to her pushing?
No.
Okay. It's a legal question that I'm required to ask.
Hey, ma'am, come with me. Come with me. Give me your hands. Stop resisting.
On January 31st, 2024, Milwaukee County deputies responded to Mitchell International Airport following a reported physical altercation at the American Airlines ticket counter.
And she just attacked the lady in line.
Who did?
This lady right here to your left. Right here.
Hey, ma'am, come with me. Come with me. Give me your hands. Stop resisting. Hey, find out who it was.
Come on over. She just came in the line and knocked her over. Yeah.
Stop it. Hey. We're just going to step out. First of all, do you need medical attention?
No.
Are you alright? Mm-hmm. So what happened?
She was just walking around pointing at me. Just me.
That's what we're taking her back. I know, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, I was just standing in line, minding my business. She keeps walking around, pointing at me and saying, "You," and comes up and just shoves me and smacks me.
Alright, I'm going to ask you a very stupid question. I'm required by law to ask this. Did you consent to her pushing?
No.
Okay. It's a legal question that I'm required to ask. And you said that you do not need any medical attention?
No.
Did the shove cause any pain?
I was facing this way. She came up from behind me.
She shoved, and did she hit you, or just...
Straight on pushed me and smacked me.
Where did she smack you? Just in the arm?
Yeah, I wasn't even looking at her.
Was it an open hand?
I don't know.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
All right.
We're not going to do that.
We got a squad coming up right now. Stand up. Someone pat her down real quick.
She's all right. That guy's watching.
So what happened?
Activist.
You're an activist? That gives you a right to punch someone?
Can you spread your feet for me?
Can't hear you.
Spread your feet.
Alright, you're going to have a seat in the squad, man.
Step in. It's fine. Anyone want to be a willing complainant and witness? Yeah, it just helps having extra witness statements of what happened.
Can we do it from online?
I'll tell you what happened. Come here. My name's Robert Rowland.
Yeah,
Today, I'm not coming back. So.
ID at all? It's easier to copy down. Because otherwise I'll stand here for 20 minutes saying, what was it? What was it?
Stupid. Oh, give me my business.
This is why I have this.
Yeah. But where did she come from, though?
Yeah, did you?
I thought she was trying to say, she had a little punky, right? She started saying, hey, you. Turn around. I was like,
I thought she was just going to be like, hey, what's up?
what I saw, officer, was this young lady in the blue sweatshirt.
All right.
Had like she was calling to someone, like she knew them, trying to get their attention. So we thought she was going to go there. I thought she was going to go get in line with them.
Okay.
No big deal. Came right through there. Went under the whatever the stupid thing is called.
One under the stanchion.
No, she passed right here.
All right. Okay.
Right through there. And I thought she was just walking up to talk to them because she was trying to get their attention, what it sounded like to me from standing here. And next thing I know, she attacked them.
Yeah, she was pointing a finger at her and just like turn around.
Pointing finger. And so,
Like she was trying to get someone that she thought
Right.
someone she knew's attention, and then she goes, "Hey, student."
where'd they come from? I'm going,
Hurdle.
damn, you know them? Personally?
Here, and then
Went right over, kind of tripped on that.
Tries to hit through a suitcase,
Went
and
to
all of a
hit
sudden
her
it got
with a bag
crazy.
or something.
All right.
And then she, after they separated and got them apart, she came over and said, I worked at the Department of Defense and security, da 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 da, and wandering around up front and acting really crazy.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
The warrantless public arrest here is constitutionally sound. Under United States v. Watson, 1976, officers may arrest without a warrant in a public place when probable cause exists that a crime has been committed. Multiple converging witness accounts and the victim's direct testimony satisfied that probable cause threshold under Maryland v. Pringle. The deputy's consent question to the victim, "Did you consent to being pushed?" is not procedural courtesy. It is a legal necessity. Wisconsin Statute, Section 9, 4019, subsection 1, defines battery as intentional, harmful contact without consent. The victim's explicit denial satisfies that statutory element and anchors the charging decision on firm legal ground. The pat-down search incident to arrest is authorized under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Given the physical nature of the altercation, reasonable, articulable suspicion that the suspect may be armed was legally sufficient to justify the search. Wisconsin Statute Section 947.0-1 defines disorderly conduct as violent or abusive conduct in a public place under circumstances tending to cause or provoke a disturbance. The suspect's conduct satisfies both elements independently. Repeated threatening gestures followed by unprovoked physical contact is not impulsive. It is a deliberate escalation sequence. The suspect's claim of working for the Department of Defense and Security carries zero legal weight in this proceeding. No professional identity or activist status immunizes a person from criminal liability for battery in a public space. Her statement at arrest activist, "Does that give you the right to punch someone?" functions as an implicit admission of physical conduct.
All right, Summer, do you think there's anything happened that I didn't ask you about?
So that was it.
I'm just going to run you through it just one last time, I promise.
Sure.
All right, so you're standing in line, minding your own business. She just starts pointing at you, and then, where were you in line?
Like right there.
Right where you are? So she went past everybody that else was in line? Okay.
And then
I mean, we're going to see on the footage because there's camera there,
there the whole time.
there.
But she like walked around for a while. She like walked around for a while.
I don't know why. Why?
I can't answer that question. Sometimes there are people
Just
that
be
just
like
kind of,
that.
unfortunately. I wish I had answers. I wish there was a better system than this. But unfortunately, this is what we have right now. So you're standing right there. She comes up, shoves you from behind, and just says, "You," and then she just walked away, or
Yeah, well, they kind of like got her like off of me, and then I think she walked that way, and then
Sit over there for a little bit until you guys get
and then kept like saying something, and I didn't really hear what she said, and then you guys came in shortly after. So,
All right, do you have any questions for me?
I don't think so.
Normally, if I had my squad, I would have like a form for you. It's called the Wisconsin Victims' Rights.
Sure.
This goes to court. You get somebody that's known as a victim witness advocate, someone you can talk to help explain the whole process. What's going to happen probably is that you're going to get a phone call in the next couple of days from a district attorney's office. He'll talk to you, ask you some questions. Then you don't really have to do anything or show up until way down the road.
Sure.
All right, so honestly, it's gonna be like a time like you're gonna forget that this kind of happened. Well, probably won't, but like it'll be so long that you're gonna be like, oh, that. That unfortunately, that's how slow everything is.
That's fine.
So, like I said, they'll contact you, and then the victim-witness advocate will be the one kind of your go-between. They'll be able to answer any questions, explain the victim rights fund if there's like punitive damages or any injuries as a result of this.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
I don't think so. Thank you.
She's got a ankle brace. Ankle. Oh my God! I cannot think of Do you want to right now, or do you know what they're doing? I know you're not deciding.
You have the
I need to sit down.
ankle bracelet. What other jewelry do you have, ma'am?
I think just some rings.
2 rings.
You can sit down on the bench if you want while he's talking, if you need to
Earrings.
sit. That's it. That's not jewelry. Oh, yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, we'll take that.
Yeah.
Little puppy there.
But we're putting it with all your property. I got it. You can put it
Yeah.
on top of the thing.
And
This is worth 5,000.
well, let's keep them puppies on for now. And hey, when I ask you these
This is from
questions,
Costa Rica. That is stamp. Oh, you know what? I'm wearing like, I don't know, $7,000 worth of jewelry.
I gotta ask you 3 questions. Have you had any drugs or alcohol in the last 24 hours?
No, sir.
Do you have it or thoughts of hurting yourself?
No, sir.
Sick or injured in any way?
Are you sick or injured in any way?
No, sir.
Okay. You can just chill in here. We'll be right with you, okay?
The Constitution was present at this scene. The question is who understood it. The victim rights advisement was not optional. Wisconsin Statute Section 950.0-4 mandates notification of the right to a victim witness advocate, district attorney contact, and access to the victim rights power. The pre-booking 3-question screening drugs, self-harm, injury serves a dual legal purpose, identifying detainees requiring medical care before booking, and establishing a documented baseline protecting both the detainee and the department. The responding deputy receives a grade of B+. The arrest was constitutionally grounded. The investigation was methodical, medical assessment, statutory consent verification, independent witness canvassing. Force applied was proportionate under Graham v. Connor, 1989. The deduction reflects the absence of a captured Miranda advisement prior to the suspect's self-incriminating statement at the scene. The suspect receives a grade of D. She initiated unprovoked battery, resisted a lawful arrest, and invoked unverifiable professional status to deflect accountability. Resistance to a lawful arrest does not become legal because the arrestee disputes its validity. The remedy is the courtroom. The victim receives a grade of A-. Her account was consistent and legally precise. The explicit denial of consent is the cornerstone of the battery charge. The minor deduction reflects her inability to describe the physical contact in detail, a gap the defense may attempt to leverage at trial. 3 legal takeaways from this incident. First, probable cause is built from convergence. 1 witness is a start. 3 consistent accounts are a prosecution. Second, statutory elements require deliberate verification. The consent question was not casual, it was the legal foundation of the battery charge. Third, no identity shields, criminal conduct, professional status, political affiliation, and claimed authority are legally irrelevant once harmful physical contact without consent is established. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.